welcome to Jack Tars Journeys. In this journey I need a bit of help off you. I've got a Holy Stone 260 drone and it's got a problem. One of the rotors isn't working right. Let's go and take a quick look. So the first thing to do is set the gyroscope on it. Have a little go, see whether we can get them done. Every time I put them down, I'd recalibrate the gyroscope. No, there's something wrong with that. I'm going to try and track this and show you what's wrong with me DJI Osmo 4. So I've turned it on, turn the remote on, pull the left lever backwards and forwards, that gets it registered, then push both of them over like that to the green flashing light, that sets the gyroscope. I'll do that again. Right, then you pull both of them in, and I've got one of the rotors isn't started yet. You flicker, it goes. What's up with that? Can that be fixed? Let's see if he takes off. He takes off. It works. But we've got to spin him. If anybody's got that problem, can you let me know? Can I fix it? It's working okay. Just bring him back a bit. As you can see, he's working okay, but he's got like a lazy propeller or something. I don't know what's up with it. Can somebody put in the comments and tell me how to fix it, or if they've got it, is it fixable? Can you get spares for it? I see the green flashing light is flashing, so the battery's going to go on that one any second. But I would appreciate if you can leave down in the comments and let me know what's wrong with it. So as you can see, you flick it and it goes. I mean, that's working. He's hovering okay. Yeah, he's a bit skittish, but he's not that bad. It's not that windy. But I do need to know if I can mend it. It's only a cheap drone, I know that, but it's still a drone. I do have another one. I will put a video up on that, but if you can, please help us on this one and let me know what, if anything, can be done with it. Or is there a reason it's gone before I start taking it apart and losing screws all over the place. So that's a Holy Stone 260, and yeah, don't know. Everything works on it. All the backwards, forwards, up, down, sides, yeah, the back. So it's all working okay. But to start it, you've got to turn that propeller yourself. Yeah, it doesn't like the wind at all. There's a little bit of wind in here, but they don't like it one bit. Them Holy Stone 260s. So if you're thinking of getting one, or if you've got one, let us know what you think about them. It's okay for a lap. Once it's dead quiet and dead calm, it's all right. Let's spin them round. See, he drops when you go to spin him as well. And he's gone down a shot for a minute. Get him back in. There he is. You see, when you spin him, go left or right like that, he moves all over the place as well. It's like it's got a crossed wire or something. He sort of drops. There we go, let's get him back in. I mean, he hovers okay. I mean, that was on single speed. He doesn't like double speed. He's going down. Battery's definitely gone on him. There he goes. He's had enough. So I'm going to land him on something. I'm just trying to run the battery down. I'll go and charge them. But yeah, if you've got any ideas on what's wrong with it, or if it can be fixed, is it worth fixing, let me know. I know you can get cheap parts for the little Chinese drones. It's probably the same as them, but if any of you know, drop me a comment, let us know please. He is sitting there okay though, isn't he? Moving around a little bit, but not a great deal. And that's him, done. So thanks very much for watching, but if you could, let us know if you know what's wrong with it. Please leave it down in the comments and let us know. I have got another drone. I got bought one by my kids the other week. It was a Raptor from Mankind. I'll get a video on that soon, but just want to know if this can be repaired, because there's not really a lot wrong with it apart from that. Yeah, so that's that one. If you wouldn't mind liking, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, doing all that, I really appreciate it. Thanks very much for watching.